Welcome to the United States Navy eNavFit tutorial series. This tutorial contains audio narration. All information is current as of August 2021. For additional information, visit the Performance Evaluation section found within My Navy HR website or contact My Navy Career Center. Module 8, Submission to Navy Personnel Command. The recommended browsers for eNavFit are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox for Windows users, and Apple Safari for Mac users. Note that eNavFit will not operate properly when using Microsoft Internet Explorer. You can access the eNavFit interface through the BUPERS Online web portal at www.bol.navy.mil. Summary groups that have passed validation checks and all signatures have been applied can be electronically submitted using the eNavFit interface while in a connected state. Users should allow the interface to automatically proceed to a completed status following the signing process as a best practice. Navy Personnel Command will not accept wet-signed, scanned appraisals via eNavFit. However, offline PDFs that have been digitally signed can be uploaded using the interface. Note that if an appraisal is digitally signed while in a PDF format, all signatures on that appraisal must also be applied while in that PDF format. Administrative changes to current or previous appraisals must be submitted to NPC outside the eNavFit interface using the preferred mail carrier. Step 1. Select the Manage Summer Group tab from the menu options on the left side of the screen. Step 2. Select the Active tab. Step 3. Select the Open button next to the summer group to be submitted. Step 4. Select OK on the pop-up dialog window to acknowledge that the summer group status will be updated by the interface to a completed status. Step 5. The summer group will autosave and reload. Step 6. Verify that the status displays completed in the summer group status menu. The Submit to PERS button will only enable in a completed status. Step 7. Select the Submit to PERS button. Step 8. Select OK, confirming submission to PERS for processing. Step 9. The summer group will autosave and reload. Step 10. Close out of the SG Task Browser window and return to the NPC Document Services menu. Step 11. To review the status of submitted reports, select Manage Summary Group. Note that you will need to refresh your Document Services web portal if you have not done so since your last submission. Step 12. Select the Submitted tab. Step 13. Verify that the summary group is in a submitting or submitted status. You have completed Module 8, Submission to Navy Personnel Command of the eNavFit tutorial series. For additional information, visit the Performance Evaluation section found within the My Navy HR website or contact the My Navy Career Center.